Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy design skills? You can totally do it using Canva. It's super easy to use and free, and I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time, ready to bring your book to life. So let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well firstly, and welcome back in another video. I'm glad to be here with you and show you the step-by-step how to create a KDP book cover with Canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first let's know what is Canva. Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts and flyers as well. Without needing any design experience, it's perfect for making a custom KDP book cover because it has ready-made templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. So to get started, all I have to do is come back to the top right and you'll find two buttons, one of sign up and one of log in as I said. So you have just to write your email address and your password, then you get started with this canva.com and you'll find this page. We don't have here button of sign up and log in because I already have an account. I will just click over home and you will find this page of canva.com, but you have just to click over sign up and you blank your personal information such as your email address and your password, then you get started with this one as you can see. All right, if you already have an account, you have just to click over login and you'll find this page as you can see. So before getting started, I will show you one platform that could help you as well, because if we click over create design and we have here the widget and the height of your and also the units of your template or the size of your custom. All right, so we need these things. All right, so where we will find this KDP book with these characteristics, you have just right now to open your browser again and you dive into KDP book cover template and you'll find this one. It's a website from the platform amazon.com. You have just to click over it and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have various things that you have to know about this platform. So we have here to find out the exact dimensions of your cover. You have to use the calculator. You can also download a template PDF and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about hardcover and paperback cover requirements. All I have to do is just scroll down and you have to link in the files below here, such as we have binding type. You have to select if you want hardcover or paperback, and also we have the interior type if you want black and white, premium color, standard color as well. Then we have your paper type. We'll select white paper. About reading direction, we'll select here left to right, right to left. About measurement units, I will select inches. About interior trim size, I will select this one as you can see. Then we have also here the page count. I will select, for example, 100, right? And I will click over calculate dimensions and you will find other page, which is this one. So here we have some descriptions and also we have a widget and the height that we need in Canva. Here if we click over create design and click over custom size, so we have here the widget and the height and inches as well. So let's just go here and I will just verify what is it. About the full cover, we have here 11.475. I will write here 11.475. Then about the height, I will select here, for example, 8.75, 8.75, and about units I will select inches. Then I will click over create new design and here we have the platform of designing, but I will firstly come back here to the KDP cover calculator and I will just download a template. Alright, so here we have it and I will click over save right now. Then I will just come back to the Canva and I will just here click over uploads and I will click over upload files. Then you'll find this page. I will just search for the files there, download. So here we have it and I will click over open right now and you will find your template here. So if we click over download here and I will click over this one and I will find this one how it looks, and here we have a KDP book cover how it looks as you can see, paperback book, and we have the dimensions as well and also other things that could help you. All right, So right now you have also here other option that could help you. For example, design. If you just search for KDP book cover, you'll find a various things such as this one. As you can see, you have just to click over here and you have to custom size as well. Then we have also here elements. You can just also search for KDP book as well. Here we have a KDP book, as you can see, and then you have just to select the KDP book that you want. For example, I will just go to the photos and I will search for something. For example, this one, as you can see, and I will just custom size of this one, and here we have it. As you can see, I will just do that like that. And here we have it, how it looks. Right now I will just, if I want to add a text, I will just click over here and it will add a hidden. If I want to also add a subheading, a little bit of body text, also if you want to add a text box, much required as well. Also if you want to just upload something such as here we have, for example, a background, and you'll find like that. Here we have it, as you can see, and we'll have just to get started. And if you want also the option of recording yourself, you have just to start in using the application OBS and you start record yourself as well. So here we have it, how it looks. And here we have, once you're done, you click over done and you have to exit the studio and you click over exit without saving, as you can see. All right, also we have here the option of brand if you want to adjust logos, colors, fonts, and brand voice. But by the way, we have here it's pro, you have to pay with this one. And also we have here the option of drawing if you want to draw, as you can see. And if you did a mistake, for example, you can just click over here and you have to delete this one using the eraser. Also you can just click over Indo if you did a mistake and you want to come back. For example, about this one, I will just click over Indo and I will come back for the first look. And here we have how it looks right now. Also we have here other options that could help you, such as project, and also we have application, QR code as well. And also we have here if you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom out, if you want to hear the thumbnail view, and we grid view here, and we have here present full screen if you want. And also if you want to ask something, Canva, you have just to click over here. For example, how we can create a KDP book cover. Then we'll click over enter. Then you will find here the steps that you have to follow. From the top menu in the editor, select the file, choose create new design, select the size, then select create new design. Once you have your blank canvas, you can just canvas element text and images to design your cover, and you're creating your book cover, and you have just to click over here to create new design, and you get started by custom size and then as edit. All right, so I'll just here we have the as Canva. That's why I just given an example, for example, how to create a KDP book using Canva. So here we have it, as you can see. Right now, all I have to do is just click over share in the top right and you share your template, and then here we have it, how you can create your KDP book using Canva. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. Right, so see you again, guys.